Welcome to Chilango's cooking channel. Today we're gonna make a delicious recipe perfect for the summer. This is
ceviche de champignon or mushroom ceviche,
which we're gonna make with mushrooms, with champignon. These are very good recipes for hot weather. They are really easy to make, and I think this is a very special recipe because this is not only a Mexican recipe, but I'm gonna share you my dad's recipe, which makes it more special.
Without using ketchup and considering salsa bruja. We're gonna make first a tomato paste where you have garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, paprika powder, onion powder, cloves powder, mustard, 5 peppers mixed. You can also use just black pepper, salt, sugar, apple vinegar, and Valentina style sauce. And all you gotta do is mix them all together. And now we're gonna cut the champs. In some countries you need to disinfect them. Here in Finland all you have to do is wash them with water, and then we're gonna cut them in big pieces so they are kind of like the shrimps, just like this. So all we're gonna do is cut some tomato, chop very finely some white onion, coriander as well, and we're also gonna put some chili. And what you're gonna do is you put some of the coriander and the chili into the mixture, but you leave some aside so people can decide if they wanna have more of it. Then we're also gonna add some avocado, perfect avocado we have here. And now we're gonna add some fresh orange juice. You can also use Tetra Pak, or you can even use soda, and some lime. And leave some lime aside as well so people can have some more. And we're gonna do the same with the tomato paste that we prepared, where we're gonna put some of it into the mixture, but make sure to leave it aside as well. Now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil and a pinch of oregano, and we're getting ready to serve our delicious Acapulco style mushroom ceviche or cocktail de champignon. So I'm just adding here a little bit of coriander, and here comes the avocado. Señoras, señores, cevichito time.
This is the way you eat the ceviche, whether with salty crackers, or you can use the homemade tostadas. You can also use tortilla chips from the supermarket.
And this is the kind of dish that every bite you can basically add a little bit more tomato, a little bit more of the lime, of the coriander. It's really up to you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to leave us a comment, ring the bell, stay put for more videos. Provechito, see you next time.